In this video, I explain to us the first things you should do as a new Temu influencer. Yes, I know that this can be a bit overwhelming and confusing. Using the Temu Influencer Dashboard can be really confusing, but I assure you, it's not hard. It's very, very simple. All you need to do is to spend just a little time, even if you spend just 30 minutes to study everything in this dashboard. I assure you that it will be clear to you, very, very clear. Now, I'll recommend that you start with these icons down here: the influencer icon, post icon, share icon, invite icon, and earnings icon. Spend a bit of time on each of those icons to understand what each interface is all about. So we are presently on the influencer icon. Just go through it. You can see that there is a new user commission. It's going to be different for everyone depending on the level you're on. Okay, there is an existing user commission, download reward. So the new user commission, this is the percentage of commission you get when a new user of the Temu app uses your code or your link. Existing user explains itself. When an existing user uses your code or link, and then when someone downloads the app, you get a download reward. Okay, like I said, it's going to be different percentage and amount for different people depending on your level. You can see my code and links is also being displayed in case you want to share your code and links to other social media platforms, which I always recommend to increase your chances of getting a commission. Okay, yes, so you can easily copy it from here and go and share wherever it is you want to. Now you can see key do's and don'ts. I recommend that you click on that and read through to see what Temu wants you to do and what they do not want you to do. Okay, so if you have any ongoing campaign, it's going to appear here as well. Free sample, hot items, just read through it. Basically, they are just showing you an overview here on the first interface, the influencer interface. Now, let's go to the post interface. On the post interface, you see how much you're going to be paid for cash and seeding balance, per approved video. Okay, they also show you campaigns that you can join. Now I'm going to explain this campaign section. For this campaign section, if you are not able to use your seeding balance yet to get a free sample, I would recommend that you join campaigns. Okay, at least you're going to be paid in cash and in seeding balance. So now you should actually look for those campaigns that do not require free samples. How do you do it? You can see this area right here. Click on this downward arrow. You can see for samples, there is free samples and no samples needed. Right now, free samples is selected. Okay, I want to select no sample needed. Let me reset everything. Okay, click on it and I want no samples needed. So right now, no samples needed has been selected. I'll click on apply now. And once I do that, it's going to show me all the campaigns that I can join that do not require me getting a sample to make the video. Okay, so go through it and see the ones you can do. They're actually very easy because they all have a brief to guide you. My favorite one is the invite to earn. Just click on it. You see everything is displayed here. There is a guide for your post. Like I said, there's a guide here to tell you what to say and what not to say. Okay, when you scroll down, you can even see there are videos that Temu has left for you to watch. So watch those videos and know what they are talking about. Not that you should copy everything the person have said, but it's just to guide you. Read the do's and don'ts. Everything is here. Detailed requirements. Just take your time and read through. It's really not that hard. Then once you're done, okay, once you're done, go ahead and make the video. Make the video. If you're interested in this whole thing and you've read through, you want to do it, click on add right here. And once you add it, it has been added to the things or to the campaign that you're to submit a link for. Or you can just come here, click on submit link, and it opens up. Okay, that's when you're done with the video. Now when you're done with the video, you're editing and everything, you've done everything that Temu asks you to do on that video, post the video, copy the video link. Okay, let's say your authorized platform is TikTok. Post the video on TikTok, copy the link, like you want to share it to someone, copy the link of that video, come and paste it here on the TikTok enter link. That is your authorized account. When that video is approved on TikTok, you're going to be paid in cash and seeding balance. Okay, I also recommend that you post on your secondary platform. If you have any other platform like Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube that is up to the follower requirements, you can also post there. When the video is approved on your secondary platform, you're only paid in seeding balance. Okay, so post the video on that platform, copy the link and come and paste it here and submit. All right, it's very easy. When you post for TikTok, they're definitely going to ask you for authorization code. I already did a video on how to get the authorization code. You can go back to watch the video. Okay, so that is it for this post section. So let me show you where you can get your added campaigns that you've added that you're interested in, that you want to do. Okay, now come to this section. You click on to be submitted. You can see that create posts. You can see that invite and earn has been added to it. Okay, so I can click on it. If I change my mind later and I don't want to do it anymore, click on that added and it's going to be, removed. So going back, you can see that it's not there anymore. So it's that easy. That's for the post section. Just spend your time. And for this section, how to post and get approval to earn. So if you're doing a video that is about the €100 coupon, this is everything you should do and say, how to do the video and all. If you're doing for the €0, they show you what to do. Just spend your time and go through this. Like I said, share is basically if you want to share to your other social media platform, link in bio and all that, they show you what to do. Okay, invite is for you to just they show you your link or your code, how to use it to invite other influencers. Like I said, just share your link and your code to increase your chances. Now, as a new influencer, for your earning section, I would recommend that you look into this your rookie mission. Click on it and see what you've not done so that you can claim all your coins, the initial seedings. The initial seeds, you can claim it. Okay, whatever it is you've not claimed, please go ahead and claim it so that you're sure you're done with that. Also spend time here to read through, and then if you have enough seed, you can actually, if you're allowed to use your seed to um pick something, then go ahead, use it and pick. Remember that when you're done picking and when the actual goods arrive, you're supposed to make a video. Make sure you do the video well so that it is approved, because if it's not approved and you didn't do it well, you'll be blocked from getting further samples. All right, I hope this video is explanatory enough, but if you have other questions, please ask and I'll be sure to answer. Bye.